Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Will generative AI replace programmers? Let's explore the anxieties, the potential, and the future of programming in the age of AI. First, let's address the big question on everyone's mind. Will generative AI replace programmers? There's a lot of anxiety and concern about the potential for AI to automate programming tasks. But let's take a closer look. Current generative AI models have limitations. They struggle with complex and nuanced programming challenges. While they can generate code snippets, they often lack the context and understanding needed for more intricate tasks. Human programmers bring essential skills to the table. Context, debugging, and critical thinking are areas where AI still falls short. These skills are crucial for creating robust and efficient software. So, what does the future hold? We believe in a future where generative AI acts as a powerful assistant to programmers rather than a replacement. Imagine AI handling repetitive tasks while you focus on higher-level problem-solving and creative design. This collaboration can lead to more innovative solutions and faster development cycles. Programmers can leverage AI to tackle more complex and strategic tasks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now let's talk about how you can leverage generative AI for success. Here are some practical tips and strategies for incorporating AI into your programming workflow. Use AI tools to enhance productivity. Automate repetitive tasks such as code generation and testing to free up time for more critical work. Explore new possibilities by experimenting with AI-generated code and ideas. Continuous learning is key. Stay updated with the latest advancements in generative AI and adapt to the evolving landscape. The more you understand AI, the better you can integrate it into your workflow. In conclusion, programming is a creative and problem-solving profession that requires human ingenuity. While generative AI will transform the industry, it won't eliminate the need for skilled programmers. Embrace generative AI as a valuable tool. Continue developing your programming skills and stay ahead of the curve. The future of programming is bright, with humans and AI working together to achieve great things.